Assalamu alaikum, grade one, and good afternoon. How are you all doing? Good. That's very great. Okay. Yes, I'm also good. Thank you. And it's your computing class. Okay. It's your week two and your lesson number two as well. So, let's quickly revise yesterday's lecture. Who is going to tell me what we did in yesterday's class? Hurry up. Raise your hands one by one. Quickly summarize the points what we did in yesterday's class. We talked about No, not about computers. Yes, the topic was related to computer, but what was the main topic? What we did? Okay, very well done. Yes. So now in today's class, we will move a little forward and we will discuss the different roles of computer. Okay. Now, what are different roles? Computer have a different role in different areas. Let's say when in yesterday's topic we were discussing how we can keep ourselves safe while using computer. Then at that point as well, we talked about different roles. Let's say we said that when we are using computer, let's say at home, for example, you are taking a classes, I told you that you are not supposed to place a glass of water or any food item beside your laptop or computer, because if it slips accidentally, it will ruin your laptop and your and it can cause current to you as well, right? So we discussed about how we can keep ourselves safe, and beside ourselves, the laptop, the device will also be kept safe as well, right? Okay. So now, in today's class, we will be talking about different roles. In our first week, I give you the topic and a home assignment that you are supposed to find out the roles that computer is playing in your life. Remember, and you tell me different roles, like the computer is playing a part because you do gaming on the computers or laptops. You watch videos or cartoons on the laptop. You do some of you did typing. Tell me about typing as well, which is a very good thing, right? So these were the different roles, the different functions which computer is playing. And you guys are all also taking these online classes, this online mode of classes, this virtual classrooms, right? So this is also one of the role. Now the computer's role, the computer's functions are not confined to only these things: typing, watching videos, gamings, or taking online classes. These are not only four functions which computer is playing, right? So everybody has a different role. And at that time I told you that in my life, if I told you about my life, there is a different role of computer in my life as well. Let's say computer is I made your plans on this computer. I watch different videos which are related to your your class, your subject, your topic. I watch those videos and then I shared that with you as well. So this is the way I use computer for. Similarly, I write articles on computer, so I use my laptop and computer for that. When I was in university, I did my thesis on this. I saved my documents, all of my notes related to my class, related to my subjects on this. I made presentations on this. So these are all of the activities which I am doing on this computer, right? So everybody has a different role. Now we also discussed that computer is playing an important part in school, at home, in colleges, universities, shops, hospitals, everywhere, basically, right? So beside that, now if let's talk about the online function, or which computer is playing. So let's confine our today's topic, the role of computer, to the school. What is the role of computer, let's say, in schools, right? So you see, the in recent times when we were facing corona and we were all locked in our houses, the students were not able to go to the schools. And the schools were closed for such a long time span, from March 2020 till Feb 2021, right? This was very long period of time, and students cannot sit for a whole year at home. They will forget everything, and if the students are left, if they do not have anything to do, they just get involved in useless activities. So it was not good for them. So what we did, before that, we were not introduced with this mode of learning, with this virtual mode. Yes, it was there are virtual universities, there are virtual schools, but it was not that much common. But when the schools, when the authorities, when the institutions, when they observe that this corona is getting longer, and the students, it is not good for the students to sit at such a far long, then we what we did, we created a different mode, we created a different option for us, and we switched to the online mode of learning, right? But previously it was not like this. Students, they sit in physical classrooms, and then the teachers come, the students come, and then all of the activities are taking place in the schools. But in that time, when we faced that situation, we shifted ourselves to the online mode of learning, right? Now, what was that? Let's assume that if we did not have computers, if we did not have laptops, if we did not have mobile phones, how will we do this? How will we take our classes? How will we perform our activities? Let's say if we did not have laptops or computers, how will the people will do their works? Yeah, everybody was doing their work from their home, right? Your parents were doing their work from their home, teachers were doing taking their classes from their home, the doctors, yeah, but the doctors were going to the hospitals because it was mandatory for them to, because they cannot check their patients online, right? Okay, but all the other things they were getting. Even people were doing online shopping. That was not possible that we do not buy anything throughout the year, right? Yes, we control ourselves, we restrict ourselves from the the otherwise shoppings, but we do bought the general things, the grocery. If somebody needs clothes, let's say, for a newborn baby, or for somebody, right, then we did do that shopping, right? But we restrict ourselves from the extra activities. We didn't visit parks, we didn't visit hotels or restaurants, but that was a good thing. But we did online orders for the foods as well. So everything was, whatever the way we did or deal with that situation, was due to the laptops or due to the computers, due to these devices, these gadgets, which is the great advancement or development of the time, right? Now I'm going to share a screen with you in which there are multiple uses of computer, and then we will uh, discuss it further. Okay, and just let me know if the screen is visible to you or not. Okay. Okay, show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible. It is visible? Okay, great. Let's watch a video.
Hello everyone, this is my computer lab in
Okay,
the school.
sorry. The voice, the sound is not coming. Okay, let me share the screen again. Okay, let me share it again. I'm sharing the screen again, and now let me know if the voice is coming or not. Okay, is it okay now? Okay, good. Let's watch the video together.
Hello everyone, this is my computer lab in the school. We have so many computers here. Everyone who has to work comes to the lab and we do our homework, do some researches. Sometimes we also have some fun on it and learn a lot about computers. After doing our research, we have a discussion and we do our homework here and we learn about how to use the computer in the school for studies.
Okay, class. So the person in the video, summarize all of the points, all of the uses of computer in the school, and he talked about that we made assignments, we do our work. If we need to search for something related to our studies, we do that search on the computer or laptop, and then we discuss that with our fellows as well, right? Let's say your teacher, let's say I search for something which is related to your topic. Let's say I'm teaching you the topic about input or output devices, so I'll search for the input and output devices. I share the pictures with you, I share the plan with you, I play different activities for you. Why? To make your to make you understand that thing in a better way, right? So all of these things that we need, we search them, and then we get the answer, and then we made discussions on that. So this was the one use, that we have ICT labs in the computer in the schools, where students go and they learn about computers, they learn about internet, they learn about the uses and all that. I told you that we will also be doing some practical work, but because we are using this virtual mode, so I'll be teaching you everything online, right? I'll be teaching you the practical work online as well. And I told you that we will be starting from how we can, let's say, create a folder, how we can open a folder, what are different drives, how we can rename something, how we can copy and paste something from one folder to the other, right? So all of these things we will start from them, and then we will learn a little about internet as well. Let's say if you want to search for something, if you want to find a video related to your work, how you can search that, how you can watch that, how you can download that. So these will be some of the things, some of the practical works that we will be doing. And I told you that on every last day of our week we will be doing some practical work. It will be dedicated wholly to the practical work, right? So these were some of the uses of computers in the school, right? Now the activity for you is that, let's say if I give you a chance that whatever you want to become when you will be grown up, inshallah. Let's say if you want to become a doctor, what would be the role of computer in your life at that time? If, say, let's say you want to become an engineer, what would be the role of computer in your life at that time? If you want to become a teacher or anything, whatever profession do you choose, how will be you using this device, right? Okay, so you need to think about it and then let share it to me. Okay. I'm giving you few time. All of you are done? Okay, start sharing it with me. Yes, Talha. How will we be using computer? First tell me what you want to become. A doctor. Okay. And what will you do with this? Excellent. You will keep your data of your patients in the laptop. Very well done. Okay. Yes, Ahmed. What do you want to become? Engineer. Okay. And what will you be searching for? Excellent. All of the related works, all of your assignments, all of your projects, very well done. So see, if the students have different roles, right, according to their fields as well. Similarly, different persons have different roles of computer in their life, depending upon their occupation, depending upon the type of job, type of work. The role of computer also changes. Okay, so that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. See you in the tomorrow's class. Allah Hafiz.